Guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is gonna about DIY orange gel at home. So let's begin. To make this orange gel, you need aloe vera gel. This is from Patanjali. Olive oil. This is Figaro olive oil. You can take any olive oil. And one medium size orange. First of all, grate this orange with the help of grater. I had grated the orange peel. This is how it looks. Now I am going to add few drops of 2 tablespoons of Figaro oil in a bowl. Now cook the oil as well as peel of orange in a medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see that my oil is ready. Now strain it out with the help of strainer. As you can see that my orange peel oil is ready now. Now peel out the orange. Now take out 2 to 3 slices from it. With the help of strainer, take out the juice from it. Now you can see that my juice is ready. As you can see that my orange juice and my orange peel oil is ready now. Now with the help of double boiler, I am adding the orange juice. Keep it in medium flame and stir it with the help of spoon. Now I am adding 1 to 2 pinch of corn flour in it. Mix it. After adding the oil in it, you can see the texture of the paste. Now the last ingredient is aloe vera gel. I am adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Now you can see that my orange gel is ready to use. See the thickness of the gel. With the help of finger, you can apply it all over your face. Store it in a container. You can keep it in refrigerator for 1 week to 2 weeks. You can see that my orange gel is ready. Hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for the new update.